Factories are going dark, not because they are shutting down, but because humans are disappearing. Machines don't need lights, lunch breaks, or salaries. This is the rise of dark factories, fully automated production with almost no human workers. What looks like technological progress is hiding a deeper economic shift. Jobs are not being transformed. They are being removed. Manufacturing, logistics, retail, even basic services are quietly automating away human labor. Companies call it efficiency. Investors call it growth. But efficiency for corporations often means unemployment for people. Unlike past industrial revolutions, this one doesn't create enough new jobs to replace the old ones. AI doesn't demand wages, and it never goes on strike. The result is a growing class of workers pushed out of the system. When people lose jobs, debt replaces income. This is how technological progress quietly becomes a financial trap. Dark factories don't just change how things are made, they change who survives. And this is only the beginning.